I am a survivor of childhood and adulthood sexual trauma. I have a lot of resources and information. Click the link in my bio. I am located here in Chicago, Illinois. We have a we have a building location, 6636 South Cottage Grove. That's where we're located. If you want to get together for real, if you're ready to begin to start the cycle of healing, reach out. I know I'm standing here with a blanket around my shoulders. I am. But that's okay. That's okay. I won't have a blanket on when we meet. I promise you. I won't. But if you're really serious about making a change in your life and you want to start that healing journey, the healing process, reach out to me. You can click the link in my bio, go to the booking where it says booking Christina Jones or our services. Click on that, select the service, and let's get started.